Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space, sending you love, sending you a hug, wishing you an abundance of well-being, unexpected blessings, good fortune. If you're having a hard day, feeling overwhelmed by your circumstance, feeling stressed about work, about school, feeling anxious about a relationship, insecure about your body, your finance, feeling depressed, numbness, angry, or perhaps even joyful. Know that you're not alone, that millions, if not billions of people can relate. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Trusting our capabilities. Trusting that there's so many opportunities, so many choices, so many ways that we can navigate these challenges, obstacles. Trusting in the intelligence of life that moves through the situation that you're presently in. Trusting that it has its own blessing despite the pain. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture where you can be upright, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Putting distractions to the side, putting the future to the side. Gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, aware of the tensions in your body, the anxiety, the frustration, aware of the pain. Holding your pain tenderly, like a child. Caring for your pain by bringing awareness to it, witnessing and welcoming the pain, the frustration, the anger, the insecurities, the self-criticism, embracing it all like old friends. And taking a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing. Breathing in, feeling your belly, chest rise. exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Every cell in your body breathing in. And exhale, releasing, letting go of stress. Relaxing the shoulders. Relaxing your face, the lips, the jaw, the forehead. You're safe to close the eyes. Relaxing your hands and feet. Feeling light, spacious as you breathe in. And exhale, letting it go. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of something that goes beyond the pain. Bringing a little bit of space between you and the pain. Recognizing that the pain is not you. Feeling the blessing of that as you breathe in and breathe out. Inhaling love for yourself. Holding that loving energy at the top. Feeling it spread through the body as you continue to hold. And slowly, slow as you can, soft as you can, exhale. Relaxing all the muscles in your shoulders. Feeling a small opening in your heart. And a beam of light shooting up the spine, all the way to the top of the head, bringing with it more consciousness, more awareness as you breathe in. And breathe out. Letting go of the past, letting go of what happened earlier. Letting go of what's going to happen later, coming into this present moment, this precious present moment, unlike any other moment thus far. Hold. And exhale. Breathing in trust. Hold. And exhale, letting go of all fear, all insecurities, feeling worry, leave the mind, leave the body. As a very trusting, open, warm energy starts to move into your whole body. trusting in the unfolding of life as you breathe in. Holding that breath at the top. Tense your body, squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense everything, tense as you can, your whole body tense. And exhale, release, soften, let go of all tension in the hands and the face, bring in a smile. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top with closed eyes, looking in. And exhale. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, pushing the belly outwards as you soften the palms of your hands, witnessing and welcoming yourself. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you joining me today. Coming back into your body. Feeling your body coursing with aliveness. Pulsating with creativity, inspiration, as you breathe in strength. Exhale, letting go of all that's been weighing you down. Feeling more light, more spacious in the head. Feeling your heart opening as you breathe in beauty. And exhale, letting go of darkness. Letting go of criticism. back into compassion, patience, acceptance. As you breathe in 3 times, exhale, inhale, exhale, breathing in, exhale, following my rhythm. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Color for today is clear. The number is 44. And the animal is a raccoon. My dear friend, becoming aware of your posture, aware that you're breathing, aware that you're alive. You live to see another day. Blessed with new opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, to forgive. Remembering that forgiveness can lead to more love. There's no sense in holding on to a grudge that creates a heaviness in the heart, and it weighs us down. So I encourage you to forgive yourself, forgive other people, forgive this whole world. I thank you for joining me. Across time and space, I'm sending you a big hug, a nourishing hug for your mind, body, and soul. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of joyfulness, and laughter. Remembering that laughter is the best medicine. Don't take this life too serious. It's meant to be enjoyed, to have fun, to be playful. Tune into your inner child today. Just for a little bit. It doesn't gotta be all day, but just a little bit. Tuning into the inner child and see that the nourishment that can bring by bringing more playfulness to your life, by not taking everything so serious. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.